Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. We're gonna dive right in. As you guys can see, I'm in a different little area. I just received my paid for Ipsy Glam bag for the month of December, and I wanted to just have some little festive vibes with you guys, so I decided to just do it in here in my dining area. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam bag, this is the original, the OG Ipsy Glam bag. This is a $14 monthly subscription where you'll get 5 travel try me size items. We do get lucky sometimes and get a full size. We, as subscribers, get to pick one of our choices, and it's a value up to $70. I have received my personal Ipsy Glam bag since March of 2015, so almost 10 years, you guys. And here's the bag. I think it is so pretty, you guys. I love it. I think it's super cute. Alrighty, and our theming for the month of December is Unwrap Joy. This season, we want you to find joy in small moments and feel wonder at every turn. So we're hooking you up with delightful surprises and beauty galore to ensure the holidays shine as bright as your glittery eyeshadow. And generally, our products are right here. I'll actually give you guys a little sneaky peeky before I look in the bag. But you'll have all your product details and stuff like that right here. And the main reason that I love Ipsy and I still pay for my paid for bag, even though I get, PR from them, is because, first of all, I think you get a great bang for your buck. It's a really affordable way to test out different brands, makeup, skincare, so on and so forth. You can try a bunch of different brands for an affordable price, then kind of decide if you like them, and then do you want to pay full price for them. I also think it's a great way to get started with makeup and skincare. If you or, somebody else that you know is kind of dipping their toes in the realm of beauty, skincare, and things like that, I think it's a great way to start. And I love to have the bags because I do tons of giveaways. I've already given this one away that I got in my PR package. But I do a ton of giveaways. I have a resale group. I keep a few of the bags for myself. And y'all, we travel to go see our grown son, so I like getting the minis. Let me shut my freaking mouth. First up, right on top, is a fragrance. This is the Catherine Malandrino, and I'm seeing Mystère de Catherine, or Mystère. And the notes are, top notes are juicy cranberry, orange zest, and apricot. Oh my gosh, yes. Mid notes are peach, peony, green apple, violet, and deep rose. Woo! Base notes are musk, caramel, cedarwood, and tonka. I'm not a huge cedarwood fan, but I think everything else in here is making me want to say, let me see how this is. Here's the packaging. And we've received quite a few products from the Catherine Malandrino. I'm going to spray it onto my card, just in the case I don't like it, y'all. Oh. If you've tried Frosted Cranberry from Bath & Body Works, it's giving me them vibes. That smells lovely. I'm keeping that. Next up in my bag is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Define and Hold Flex Gel. I'm also thrilled to have this. Okay. I'm liking this bag, y'all. Next up is a full size of the Pixi by Petra Lip Glow in the shade Ruby. I actually received one in my paid for bag as well. So I do like that. It's not quite as punchy as I would have hoped it to be, meaning like if I was going to have kind of that pinky, reddy, raspberry shade like for holiday time, I want to see it. Next up is the All Moringa Moisturizing Cream. Okay, that sounds nice. And my bag too, for my profile, I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair, very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. So I feel like thus far they're following through with that. And then last up is one of my favorites, the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara. So I got the mascara and the lip balm, the perfume, it smells lovely, the Strictly Curls, and a face cream or moisturizing cream. I'm thrilled. I think it's great. I think it's a great selection. And again, I like to have travel minis like this, and I like to be able to not spend a whole lot of money, try a bunch of different brands, and decide if I like them. Like, what if I went and got this full size for however much it costs, and then I hated it? Whereas right now, I've basically paid under $3, and if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. So I'll go to the card, and let's get some pricing and some details for y'all. Alrighty. The Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara in Fearless. Forget the falsies. This mascara helps you build the big, bold, full-bodied lashes of your dreams that won't transfer or budge. It actually does. This featherweight and ultra creamy pigments coat each lash while the bristles create length and lift. And this is a deluxe sample. It says the MSRP of the full size would be $19. It's saying that it does not transfer, but it doesn't necessarily transfer. It can just get a little bit messy and a little bit gloopy, and I make a mess with it every time I use it. But I've repurchased it, so I mean, I love it, but there's a learning curve. Next up is the Marc Anthony product. This is the Strictly Curls Define and Hold Flex Gel. Want instant definition, shine, and flexible hold for your curls and cools? This styling gel will deliver it all without the crunchy feel. It keeps every curve and contour of your tendrils while remaining touchably soft, frizz-free, and bouncy all day. And it gives a tip: apply a quarter size amount to wet strands from root to tip and then air or blow dry. This is a deluxe sample. The full size version would be $10. Next up, we had our Pixie Beauty, the Lip Glow in the shade Ruby. Your lips never felt as pampered and pretty with a tinted balm before this. It's packed with nutrient-packed shea and mango butters to smooth, soften, and hydrate your palette with every swipe. Plus, the ruby red pigment is totally buildable and leaves a gorgeous dewy shine. And this is a full size for $14. This automatically paid for the price of our bag. Next up was our fragrance. This is the Catherine Malandrino, the Mystere fragrance. This irresistible scent is giving demure meets cutesy, with opening notes of cranberry, orange, and a splash of apricot that bloom into deep rose, peony, and violet. It rounds out with a warm dry down of creamy caramel, rich tonka, musk, and cedarwood. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $110. Now see, I may spend that. I'm just going to wear it. I'm going to put it on my body and see how I like it and stuff like that. But, you know, I paid $3 for this instead of $110 and I hate it. You know what I'm saying? And then last up, we have our All Moringa, the moisturizing face cream. Meet your skin's new BFF. This dreamy jasmine scented cream is feather light and leaves skin velvety soft, nourished, and renewed. It is packed with antioxidants as well as anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties from moringa oil, so skin stays protected, soothed, and supple. And this says cleanse dry face morning and night. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $89. Again, I paid $3. If I love it, great. I can repurchase it if I see it on sale or get it from a resale group or Mercari or something like that. And if I hate it, it was just $3. I love it. I love Ipsy. I'm a fan of subscription boxes and mystery boxes and all the things. Like, that's the part that I love the most too. It's like a little surprise every single month. But that is it. Thank y'all so much for joining. Sorry about the lighting and all that kind of stuff. I just wanted to be festive. I wasn't doing makeup in this video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. There's also a join button right down there you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.